We've been stuck in the desert now for 25 days without water. I'm barely hanging on. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my brother and my best friend in California. We're gonna go to Joshua Tree to check it out and maybe go see some other things in California. I'm gonna bring you guys along. Let's go! Woo! Took a rest stop to use the bathroom, so yeah, very excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. Ooh, I'm gonna go pee.
There was literally 5 fires in there.
It is so dry here and so hot.
I know, it's really hot, but it doesn't feel that bad at all. There's like a breeze. I think Florida just ruins you, and well, it actually helps. Florida's so humid. Everywhere else is just better. 1 hour away.
Let's go! Vlog. We're here! We made it to Joshua Tree. We have about 20 minutes until we get to the place that we're gonna hike, but I just wanted to show you guys. Whew, stinky. Yay! We're gonna take a short hike and then take some pictures because it's really cool here. Ah, my friend, my vlogger friend.
Maybe you should walk forward and not backwards.
Is that the bees they were talking about?
This is really cool.
What's the view out here?
Yeah. Let's go, Chels.
So dry out here. I'm like,
It is. I know. Okay. Ugh.
Oh my gosh, how cool.
Alright, I'm gonna show you guys. So pretty.
Oh, here we go. We're gonna get nowhere. We're gonna stay.
I know.
Let's go.
There's so many rocks here. I'm not used to it. I'm used to the East Coast with all the forests. So are you moving to California?
Literally, I think that might be my new thing. I want to live in California, I'm not gonna lie. When I was in San Francisco, I contemplated, but I was like, you know, maybe it's just here. Now that we're going off through, I don't know, I think it sold me.
I've been stuck in the desert now for 25 days without water. I'm barely hanging on. We're looking for the dam. That's our only hope of survival. Let's go, guys. It's only been literally 3 minutes of hiking and I'm so thirsty.
Oh my God, are you serious?
It's so hot. We picked literally the hottest time of the day, the hottest time of the year to come on this hike. But it's really cool. Oh, this is the dam. The dam is dried up and we're gonna die. There's no water.
Watch out for water bees or thirsty bees.
Thirsty bees.
Watch out for thirsty bees.
Watch out for the thirsty bees. Yeah, there's apparently bees here that are so thirsty that if you have water, they could potentially attack you.
Oh my God, this is so sick.
We're gonna do some rock climbing over here. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
How are we gonna get up?
We ain't in Florida anymore. Like, look how pretty it is, guys.
It's like, literally you're just casually talking to the mountains behind you.
Oh, you know, no big deal. Just
No
like in the
biggie.
desert or whatever. I can't believe we're in the desert together.
Okay, ready?
I'm inhaling so much dirt. So we just did a little hike in Joshua Tree. This has been fun. We got some cute Polaroid pictures. And now we're gonna fast forward to the future. Okay guys, we just finished hiking in Joshua Tree. Now we're headed to Slab City and we're gonna go see Salvation Mountain. Are you guys excited?
Yep.
No! Chelsea, are you pooping?
No.
It's blurry. Why aren't you focusing?